there, it's me, Elaine, but you can call me Ellie. Chink! Hello! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another unboxing video. We have so many new products in Mary Kay. I'm very excited to show you. Last week pa siya dumating, but hindi ko siya ginagalaw because I wanted to reserve it for an unboxing video. So this is it. This is it. Very excited to show you our newest products. Na sure ako na magugustuhan niyo rin. Ako personally, very excited ako nung lumabas siya. Let's go, baby! First product is our new palette. Unboxing talaga to, hindi ko pa nabubuksan na. Tignan nga natin. So this is called the Beauty Unearthed Perfect Palette. Color of the year, blue. By the way, these are just limited edition. If you have a beauty consultant, grab na agad. Sabihin na agad sa kanila na you want this product. Or if you don't have one, you can PM me sa mga social media channels ko. I'm always online. Oh, wow! Sobrang ganda, diba? Pag binuksan, baliktad ata ako. Yan. Meron siyang mirror. And meron 2 slots like our perfect palette na. Pero sobrang ganda ng design niya. And it's embossed. Hindi siya embossed. Pero meron siyang plastic like that. Kita niyo yung reflection ko. This is just limited edition, guys. Ang ganda-ganda ng style. Ito yung accent dito. Kasi it's like earth and then color of the year. Oh, bongga na. Moving on. For our limited edition, we have 2 new colors of our bronzer. Illuminating bronzers sila. We have 2 colors. And hindi ko alam kung kita nyo. So this one is the Copper Glow. This is the Gilded Glow. Buksan na natin siya. Okay, so this is the Gilded Glow. Sa likod, meron siyang pangalan, Gilded Glow, and yung kanyang expiration date. Second natin is the Copper Glow. So, ilalagay na natin siya sa ating new Beauty Unearthed palette. Diba yung isa, parang ano siya, ang illuminator niya ay parang white. And then this is the gold. Pero tatry natin sila parehas. Don't you worry, my love. Very light siya. Okay, so, yan na siya. Hindi siya kita masyado, but nandun siya. Let's try the other one. This is the Copper Glow. Yan isa, kita nyo, diba? So, this is the other one. Okay, mas dark siya. Okay, so this is the Gilded Glow. And this is the Copper Glow. And mas kita nyo pa ganyan. I think ito lang yung para sa akin. Ito, pang morena. Maganda yung glow niya. Ito, medyo gold. Ito yung white yung kanyang shimmer. Ito, gold. Right? Ayan. So, moving on. We have 3 new eyeshadows. So, these are liquid eyeshadows. Hindi pa siya bukas at never ko pa siyang binuksan simula nung dumating last week. Ngayon lang. Kaya very excited. Kitang-kita naman kung gano'n ka-excited. So, number 1 would be Light Beam. Mahilig kasi ako mag-eye color. Hindi ko alam. Dati, hindi ako sobrang marunong. At ayaw ko talaga siya. Kumbaga, simpleng-simple lang yung look ko. But parang na-appreciate ko nowadays yung beauty pag meron kang eyeshadow or ayos sa mata. Kasi, di ba, eyes are the windows to the soul. Kaya kailangan bonggang-bongga ang mata. Ito yung first color natin. This is Light Beam. So, meron na rin siyang applicator. Ayan. And this is the Pink Starlight.
our last one would be Meteor Shower. So, medyo dark. Nakita ko na kasi sa picture, but not sa actual. So, this is dark. Ito na yung tatlo natin na Liquid Eyeshadows. Na I'm excited, super excited to try. So, I'm going to try a look na nandito sila lahat. Ating mga bagong produkto. Okay, let's start. Gubara lang ako ng makeup. Yeah. I went ahead to do my kilay as I normally do. Kasi hindi naman ang focus natin yon kung hindi itong mga new products natin. So, wala pa akong contour. This is just liquid foundation. So, we're going to try... Actually, hindi ako marunong mag-contour. Pero we're going to try this one. Sabi sa mga heart shape daw, kailangan dito lang. At hindi masyado dito, onti lang dito. So, let's try that one. I have this Mary Kay cheek brush. Okay, dito mo na. So, yan siya, di ba? Here. And onti lang here. And here also. I super like it. So this is what I used. Itong Gilded Glow. Since this is the lighter one, kasi baka magmukha na akong ewan dun sa kanina, diba? I super like it. Actually, may bronzer kami before, pero mas maganda to. Yung bronzer namin, ano lang siya, 2 shades lang din siya. Ivory 2 and Beige 1. Pero mas like ko to since meron siyang illuminating something. Hindi siya masyadong halata pero contour na yung face mo, right? Tapos pwede na tayo ganyan lang. Pero pwede rin lagyan ng onting blush. So, this is what I'm using. It's Rosy Nude. Onti lang sa face. Onti lang on top of your contour para may onting kulay. And the most exciting part of all, susubukan natin gamitin tong lahat na ating liquid eyeshadow in one look. Dito lang sa look na to. But I don't know kung paano siya i-mix. Try natin with our brushes. Since our brushes is synthetic fibers naman, so pwede siya sa powder and liquid. I'm going to use the light beam sa ating base. Let me just get our brushes. Meron akong 2 eye smudger brush dahil yung isa ay dark color. So you shouldn't mix that. So, lagay lang ko ng konti for our base. We're going to mix that. Pagpipili kayo ng brush, dapat yung synthetic fiber din. All of our brushes in Mary Kay are synthetic fiber. So, kung nalagyan to na meron kayong liquid eyeshadow when you have yung mga powder eyeshadows, mineral eyeshadows, pwede nyo siya gamitin. Hindi na kayo magpapalit ng brush, right? Wow! I like it. If you see closely, ayan, meron na siya. And for our second color, we're going to apply this one. This is the Pink Starlight. So, what I'm going to do, dito lang siya.
sa end. Like so. And here also. Yan. What is this? Just on the crease. Okay. Other side. Pwede kayo mag-add according to your liking. So, dito kita. Dito sa other side, di masyado. So, I'm going to put some more of the pink starlight. Okay. And blend, blend, blend. Sa eyeshadows pala, key is blending talaga. Yun ang natutunan ko over this learning months sa proper eyeshadowing. Yan, meron na sa kabila. Okay, it's starting to appear already. To define our eyes, magpapalit ako ng brush kasi this is a dark one. Medyo kinakabahan ako dito kasi dark siya. But, okay, dito lang ulit sa end. Like that. And on the other end, wapa ko. And we're gonna blend. Okay, for this one, I will just lagay it here. And then on the other side. So, I'd like to just put it here sa baba. So, your eyes have definition. Like that. So, ito yung itsura niya pag malapitan. Dito sa lids, I like to put on some more pink starlight sa under the eyes. For this one, put ko muna siya dito. And we're done with the eye color. I'll just put some accents like eye color, eyeliner, I mean. And curl ko lang yung lashes. And then we're done. And curl ko lang yung lashes. And then we're done. And I'm going to use some another limited edition lipstick para ma-appreciate natin yung look natin. Girl, you cute! I'm going to use limited edition Tenacious Taupe. And our look is done! Oh, super like ko yung eye color ko since hindi siya masyado. I thought na magiging strong yung kanyang pigment, pero sakto lang siya for eye color. Natuyo na siya agad and walang kumakapit sa fingertips ko. And look at my eye color. I love it. Kala ko isa lang ma-apply ko, but pwede pala i-mix. So I was able to mix them 3. By the way, yan, ulitin ko ulit, this is just limited edition. So if you have a beauty consultant, sabihin na agad sa kanila. Or if you don't have one, you can PM me and I can deliver it to you. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you on our next one. Like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have comments or suggestions for our next video, comment down below and I'll check it and I'll do it for ya. This is again Ellie. Thank you for watching. Bye!